Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI P10 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill with Google, and Passwords. If you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. To fix it and make them visible, you need at least one. So click on this gear next to Password Manager at the top right corner. Make sure that Offer to Save Passwords option is enabled. Log in to any app and tap on Save in Autofill pop-up. This way, your password will appear over here and you'll be able to add any other one you need. If you wish to do it now, tap on this plus next to Search Passwords. Then input all of those informations. At the top, you can type in any website or click on Select App and click on the chosen one. Now enter your username, email or phone number. Password, and even some helpful notes. When you finished, click on Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!